Okay. So when you use the both the L trim and R trim, and you are giving the small letter, then there will not be any difference. So suppose if I create one table here, so I'll create a table and insert create table. Some name I'm giving S name varchar of 20. Okay. Table is created. Now I'm going to insert some records into this. Insert into POW2 values. So it is having the extra space here. And right side space is there and left side space is there. For the alt record both side it is having the space. I'll use the commit command. So I can use select star from POW underscore 02. So it is coming displaying like this. First record is it having the left side spaces. Second record it is having the right side space. And third record both side it is having the space. Then how can we use this L trim and R trim? Select S name, comma L trim of S name. Use the length function to find out this size also, comma length of L trim of ename. From POW underscore 02. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the name column, existing name column. I'm using the L trim and length of name and length of L trim. So in this I'll use right trim also in the same. Okay. So I'll use R trim of S name, comma length of R trim. Okay. Now see the differences how it is going to work. L trim and R trim. And also we have the one more function, that is trim also it is there. No? Okay. So trim ename and length of
R trim spelling is wrong.
yeah. Commas is there. So here we're missing the comma.
Length R trim spelling wrong. R trim.
So for from this is open and this is okay. Now this is the existing one. ABC spaces is there, and if you see this L trim. left side there is no space. Length of SNM is 7, 8, 11 and length of L trim is 3, 8, 7 it is coming. Okay, that means extra characters it is removed left side here. But for this right side it is there, so that it is not removed here. Okay, same R trim is here. Right side it has removed. So here if you see 7 characters, here it is 3 characters. So why it is 7 means left side it is not removed. Only it will remove the right side. For this there is no right side spaces. Okay, so left side only it is there for this first row. So that is same only. So now here it is removed for this, and same way for this it is removed 7. That is right side it is removed. And same way trim, if you see this extra spaces from the both side, whether it is left side or right side it is removed, and length of the trim is 3 characters only here. Okay, like this you can use this L trim, R trim and trim functions. Next we have the lead function. Oh, sorry, LPAD. Okay. So this is LPAD. It is used to add the characters from left side and left hand. The LPAD function pairs the left side of the string with a specific set of characters. So to fill a string with the specific characters on left side of the given string. So now what we are doing using the L trim, R trim and trim, we are removing the unwanted characters or unwanted spaces from the given string. But LPAD is going to add the extra characters to the string. If it is LPAD, it is going to add the left side. If it is RPAD, it is going to add the right side. LPAD string 1 length comma string 2. This is the syntax. Length means how many characters you are going to add here. Till how much characters you want to add this string. Suppose if you are having the Oracle keyword. So select LPAD of Oracle, comma 8. Okay, comma string 2. That is stars I am giving. That means, so this string, if it is having the 8 characters, okay. If it is not having the 8 characters, then extra. How many characters are there here? Oracle is 6 characters. So remaining 2 characters, you will add stars to the string, and it will be added at the left side only. Okay. Suppose if I am having Oracle 1, then only 1 star it is having. So Oracle 12 I am having. So then there is no star it is going to add here. Why? Because this string already contains 8 characters. Okay. If this is not having sufficient characters, then it is going to add at the left side only. Suppose I am having the warrior only. Then it will add 5 stars at the left side. Okay, based on the size here, this length. So till then, it will fill the stars at the left side. Suppose if I say 15 characters here. Okay, Oracle is there. So Oracle having the only 6 characters. So remaining 9 characters it will fill with the stars. Okay. Suppose if I am not giving any string 2 here, what will happen? It is adding the spaces, extra spaces it is adding. If you are not mentioning the string 2, by default it is going to add the extra space here. Okay. So how can you find that? So you can use the length of this LPAD. Okay, you can check this using the length. Okay, so it is having the 15 characters. But here, starting we are giving Oracle 6 characters. We are saying 15 characters LPAD. So that means it is adding the extra spaces, okay, to this Oracle, so that it is now become as a 15 characters word. So that means it is adding at the left side. It is padding the left side extra spaces if you are not giving the string to value. Okay, if you give the string value, then that string to value will be added at the left side. Suppose if I say hyphens, okay, what will happen here? It is left side it is added extra hyphens here. Length is total 15. Suppose if I say length 10, then
Decrease the icons.
yes. Okay. Suppose if you select the ename table, sorry, employee table, select ename, LPAD of ename, comma, 10, comma, stars if I am giving. So if the ename is having the 10 characters, then won't change. Suppose if the ename is below the 10 characters, then it will add the left side extra stars. Okay, king is having 4 characters only length, so that it is 6 stars it is added here. Blake 5 it is there, so 5 stars it is added. So same way if you don't come here, Martin is having already 6 characters, then only 4 stars it is added. Mod only 4 characters, 6 characters, 6 stars it is added here. Okay, so like this you can use the LPAD to insert extra character or extra spaces. Suppose if you are not giving any value for this second string, then what will happen? It will add the extra spaces. So if we give some numbers, suppose I want to use some number to the 1, 2. Then up to that length of this ename 10 characters. So left side it is adding the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 like this. Okay. Suppose if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it is going to add the left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is king is 4 characters only. It is added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again it is 1 it is added. So black it is having only 5 characters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is added. What? Again 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. If you see Martin here, Turner here, only 1, 2, 3, 4 it is added. Okay, based on the size of here, till then it will be going to add extra characters at left side only. LPAD means it is adding the left side. Now we have the RPAD. Same exactly opposite, it will add the right side. It is used to add the characters from the right end. RPAD function pads the right side of the string with a specific set of characters to fill the string with the specific characters on right side of the given string. Syntax is same for the RPAD and LPAD. Both the syntaxes are same here. That is RPAD string 1 comma length comma string 2. select R-pad of buckle, set 10. From where? It is adding right side stars. Same way, you can use our table. Select ename, R-pad of ename, 10, stars from EMP. So when you execute this previous example here, ename, LPAD of ename. So what it is doing? It is adding left side. When you use this R-pad, it is right side, it is adding. I'll use both in the same array. Okay. So R-pad, it is adding the right side stars. LPAD, it is adding the left side stars. Suppose for the same, if you are not giving the extra character here, string 2, if you are not giving, then it will do extra spaces, it is adding at the right side. Okay. How will you get whether it is having the extra spaces or not? So by using the length function, you can find it. Okay. Select R-pad of LPAD of ename, 10, string 2 star I'm giving 15 characters, and again I'm giving the star from EMP. So what it will do? So it will add the first, it will LPAD. So left side it is going to add stars up to 10 characters. So if the ename is having 4 characters, so remaining 6 it will going to add that the left side till it will reach the 10 characters. After that again R-pad I am giving, R-pad 15 I am giving. So already it is 10, it is there. Remaining 5 characters, it is going to add the right side here. So after using the both the R-pad and LPAD, so it is coming like this. So first it will be left side. So for this king it is there. So left side 10 means it is 6 stars it is adding here. If you see, this is the 6 stars it is added here. So right side, if you see, for all of them it is having only 5 characters because already up to 10 it is filled already with using the LPAD. So that left side it is added required length here. So after that we are adding it to R-pad 15 characters. So already it is having the up to here 10 characters. So remaining 5 characters it is going to add the stars at the right side. The same way if you use the Oracle keyword, so it is adding the first 15 characters, it will consider for the LPAD. So that means that is already it is having 6 characters, so 9 stars it is going to add in the left side here. Okay. So after that 25, so that means 10 characters. So already 15 it is there. Now we are increasing to R-pad 25. So that means remaining 10 characters. So it is right side it is adding the stars here. Suppose I want a requirement like this in the whatever we are giving, suppose we are getting the credit card statements or bank names. So there we need to hide the characters. Okay. So they will send like in the stars names. instead of the complete name, they will mention the first and last characters, or in the, suppose in the credit card numbers, what they will do. So first two characters they will take, and last two characters or some 3 characters they will take, and remaining they wanted to mention as the stars like this. Okay. So same in the mobile number also, somewhere they are displaying. So instead of the complete displaying, they will use suppose starting numbers, starting 2 digits, after that last number or last 2 digits, and they are going to use like this for the security purpose. So how you will use this? Using the LPAD and RPAD. So how can you use this? So we need one more function, that is substring also required here. Okay. So first we have to use the substring, then length function, and then RPAD function we have to use. Okay. Suppose I will tell you one example. Select RPAD of substring of king comma 1 comma 1, length of king -1 star, substring of again king comma -1 comma 1 from dual. So what it is going to do? So here first substring it will take from the 1 comma 1, means starting from this king. So here first it will, first means this is the first here, and 1 character only it will take k. Using this substring it is going to take only k. And again length of the king it is verifying, length of the king -1 I am taking. That means length of the king means it is 4 characters. 4 minus 1 means that is 3. Okay. Up to 3 characters. So what I am going to do? I am going to use the star using this RPAD. So right side first I need k here. After that stars I need. After that G I need, like this. So then here what I am doing, first I am using the substring to find the first characters here. First character k I found. After that using the RPAD what I am doing, length I am finding. So that means here total length -1 I am taking. That means up to here KIN. So K already it is there. For the IN I am using this RPAD. Using the RPAD I am making it as a stars here. After that again concatenating. Again I am taking the substring of king -1 comma 1. -1 means right hand. From this side it will come, and 1 character it will take, that is G it will taking. Then it is executing and giving like this. Okay. So using the RPAD we are padding it the right side here. Because I need to these 2 characters to be filled with stars. Then I'm using this K. First character I'm taking from this enum using this substring function. Okay, generally substring how it will work means, so there is extra information after this. Substring of, suppose if I say king, comma, mention 1, so it is completely taking. Okay, 1 comma 1, suppose if 1 means starting from this string. So substring m comma n values it will be there. String comma m comma n values it will come. So like this, suppose if I mention 1 comma 1, what it will do? It will take only first starting from the king first letter, it will take 1 character. Suppose 1 comma 2 if I am giving, what it will do? K it is going to take. If I give 3 starting from K, it is 3 characters it is taking. Suppose if I say 2 comma 3 or 2 comma 1. 2 means it is going to come here, I place. Cursor will come here. So then starting from here, 1 character means it is going to take I only. 2 comma 2. So from I it will take 2 characters. 2 comma 3 means it is going to take 3 characters from second position. This is the position it is coming. So suppose if I say 3 comma 1, then position will come here n and it will print only one character. Suppose if I say 2, then starting from the third position, 2 characters, that is ng. Suppose if I say 3 comma 3, then there is no third character after this, so it will take only 2 characters ng. Suppose if I say 1 comma 3, then that means from k to n. So same substring it is used in the above example, so that it is taking first character here. 1 comma 1 means it is taking first character. After that, I am taking the length of the king and -1 I am adding for this rpad. So for the rpad syntax, rpad string 1 comma length, so that length should be filled with the extra character that we are providing here, rpad syntax. After that, I need last character, so that substring I am using again, concatenate substring of last character I need, so that -1 I am giving here. -1, that means cursor will come here. From here, one character means this last character it will pick and it will giving the required output here. Okay. Suppose if you see in our employee table, I'll use okay. So I'm using the ename rpad of substring of ename comma 1 comma 1 comma round of length I'm checking here. Round of length ename 2 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Filled with this. So this is only one rpad. This is for the entire rpad. So this is concatenate symbol for the last character. So now see this entire names it is coming with the first character, last character remaining, stars it is coming. Okay. So using the rpad and substring and length functions, we are getting this required output here. Not only this, and extra concatenate symbol also. Okay. Using the concatenate and substring, how many functions we are using here? Rpad, substring, length, round, concatenate. 5 functions we are using here to get the required output. All these are all built-in functions only. So any doubts as of now? A few more functions are there. Okay.
Sir, length once explain. Length, how can we consider length?
లెంత్ అంటే మనకి ఇచ్చిన స్ట్రింగ్ వాల్యూ ఎంత ఉందో తెలుసుకోవడానికి లెంత్ అనేది వాడతామండి. సపోజ్ సెలెక్ట్ length of some name you are giving. Vishnu you are giving, okay, from dual. So it will give the length of the string here.
So
How many
in
characters are there?
substring, I am asking.
Yeah, substring here, what we are doing is for the rpad syntax. What is the rpad syntax? So we are giving the rpad some string name, and after that length, how much length it is required. Okay. So this is the rpad syntax we are giving now. Oracle, comma, how much characters? Suppose 15 characters I need. 15 characters I need to fill with the stars. Okay. So here what is happening? So here it is filling with the RPAT right side till the 15 characters length. Okay. It is going to fill the stars here. Suppose if you use the L pad, what is happening? Left side it is filling. Right? So present my requirement is what is here? So I want to display the name with this in this format. K star star G. That means in the name, suppose if it is any name is there, suppose Vishnu is there. So in this I want to display as V star star U only. So for that, how can I fetch this, all this information? So first character I can fetch using the substring. Okay. So substring, how it will works. Select a substring of Vishnu. Okay. So in this I want to fetch first character, then I am going to use 1, 1 here. So what is happening here? So it is fetching only V. Okay. So for that I want to add the remaining characters. So in this Vishnu, how many characters are there? So if it is, I know here it is 6 characters, so that I can give RPAD 6 characters. So that Vishnu. So suppose here 6 is there. So I can give, if I 6 given, what will happen? RPAD it is not going to add any characters. But I want to fill this, all these information. That up to here, second character to 5th character, I need to fill with the stars. Then I can say here, suppose if I say 5 characters. So it is missing the U here. Okay. It is removing the U. Same way if I mention only 1. What it is taking? It is taking only 1 character. So remaining I need to fill with this stars. Correct? So that how many characters I have to take first? I have to take those using the substring first character I am taking here. So after that, adding this RPAD. So RPAD it will do what it will do. We have to mention the length here. Okay. So as mentioned in this above example here, if it is 6, it is completely taking the name here. So but I want only first character, so that I have taken using the substring first character, remaining second character to 5th character. So then I have to find the length here. Okay. Length of Vishnu. Okay. Minus how many characters I want to display this one. Okay. So minus 1. I'm going to give minus 1 here. What it will display now? I have to mention the stars only. Okay, comma. Okay. Now it is going to display V star 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 it is giving. Up to how many characters? 5 characters. After that I need last character. Then I am using the concatenate. Again, I am using the substring of again Vishnu, comma. I need last character only. So for the last character, I have to start with the minus 1, comma 1. That means starting from last position, 1 character I am going to take. So that substring of Vishnu minus 1, comma 1 it is taking. Got it? Now it is first character and last character it is coming. Same we are applied for this total employee table here based on this ename column. Clear your doubt? Hello? Hello? Your doubt is clear?